This video is a tour of a peaceful private project called Kolenus del Valle Development. It is located outside of Puerto Plata, away from noise and traffic, and is described as very peaceful. It is located on the side between Puerto Plata and Burggatine, the new resort that is being built. It also is on the same side of town, on the way to Sosúa. By the way, big news coming on Sosúa in another video. This development is planned to have houses and condominiums, and people are already buying land. Many of them are Americans and other foreigners to Dominican Republic. The area will have amenities and a river is nearby. The property area is only 10 minutes or less drive from the public beach.
This is Marby.
Okay.
Okay. And we have 75 lot for this first time, okay?
Okay.
And the lot for meter is $100 for meters.
Cool.
Is the price in this lot.
$100 per meter.
Per meters, yes. We have in this in the first time administrative office. This is the administrative office.
Where are we right now?
The closed house. We built the clubhouse.
Clubhouse.
Okay. Social areas. We have a Puerto Plata electricity. ¿Cómo se llama la otra? Cora Plata es.
Cora Plata.
The water with Cora Plata.
Cora Plata and the electricity bill. Ahí está el Plaza Turisol ese.
Ajá, creo que también.
Yeah, you know the plaza when we pass to come in here?
Sí.
There's a plaza with a lot of small rooms. They got the electricity.
Y nosotros vamos también a construir pozos.
You pay here, but it's not yet. When it started ready, the house, and people have the house, you're gonna have a contract when you have a house, but this is the future.
En nosotros we construct the pozos.
Pozos.
Vamos a hacer pozos subterráneos.
She construction a pool, you know, a pool with the fish, you know, and all this is good for the mind, decoration, and all that. Yeah, they're gonna have it in the back over here. She's gonna show you what the area they're gonna have those.
Okay, we have a different meters for senderism. Cancha de pana, how can I say cancha de paddle?
Cancha de basketball.
De paddle, de tenis.
Tennis. You're gonna have a course, tennis course.
And plays the
Tennis.
the tennis course and paddle course.
Porque son muy buenos juegan basquetbol.
Tenis y paddle. Ajá,
Porque
tenis
es una buena
y
opción
paddle.
que le pongan una de basquetbol porque a él le gusta mucho.
Any ping pong?
No,
Ping pong
no. No, ping pong no. No, ping pong no. Puede ser the pool in the clubhouse. We have the pool in the clubhouse. All the perimeter is closed 24 hours with the privacy security.
Private security, they're gonna have a, like you're gonna have your key, your own key to
Con
open
una llave, sí, with the kids.
the gate. ¿Qué van a tener? Cancha de tenis y cancha de
Y de
qué, lo que tú
paddle.
dijiste.
Paddle.
Eso como tenis.
Paddle is like the
It's like a
tennis.
similar to tennis. You know,
Ajá.
Playa
En
Dorada,
Playa
they have
Dorada,
those small.
ese mismo.
You hit it like a tennis, but it's smaller
Oh,
than
It's
tennis.
yeah, I know
the
you're talking
same,
about.
Ping pong, pilochet.
Ajá, ese es como iluminado. Es más bien para nocturno, ¿sabes? Que le ponen luces.
That's for
y
the
vaina.
nighttime. If you
Ajá,
want to play,
for the-
I come and beat you. Hey, let's play game.
Okay.
Yeah.
The lot is 39, ¿no? 39 está aquí. 37, 38, 39. This is the lot.
323 meters.
The meter.
325 meters.
Entonces, contamos con 3 planes de pago. Eso se lo explicaste, los 3 planes de pago.
Yo lo puedo explicar.
And that's the only one
Okay,
left?
3 planes de pago. We separate the lot with $100 and the 13 days, $500 more.
1,000.
For complete the initial, and the rest of the money you acquire Plan Kolenus Premium, page all in 1 years and no interest for
No
pay.
interest.
Only 1 year. The Kolenus Flex do you pay interest and capital the same times?
Interest capital, yes.
During
that's a
48
different plan,
months.
okay.
During 48 months. And the Kolenus Light, you pay interest monthly and pay capital even 3 months. Abonos al capital cada 3 meses.
Cada 3 meses.
Even 3
Every
months.
3 months you got a capital, like, you know, they financing to you for $1,000, right?
Uh-huh.
You started with $1,000, like in mine. You know, I want the smaller one. You can have mine because mine is 325. Mine is 325. I wanna have 200 because the pains how, you know, I make the money. Sometimes it's low, temporary. I can't pay like $600. The 325, you pay $1,000 for started, and then 1 month you get another 5,000 US. They can give you maybe 1 month and a half to find 5,000. And then when you get the 6,000 together, you have to come in that day with a lawyer and sign a waiving papers and everything, and then you start every month pay 700. ¿Cuánto es 700?
323.83. This is the plan Kolenus Premium. Okay, during 1 year, monthly, you pay $200 and 145.
Eso es para un futuro.
Sería mensual.
¿Mensual cuánto?
Mensual $2,000 $198. $2,000.
No, pero ¿cómo $2,000?
Si lo paga en el plan premium.
Oh.
Si él paga en el plan premium, pagaría la cuota mensual $2,000 con 198 pesos. Monthly with the premium plan, do you pay $2,000 durante un año sin ningún tipo de interés.
Oh, that's for 1 year, yeah. And 1 year, you get the title of the land, no, el título de la land, de su,
Sí.
que hablar de eso, porque
Sí.
yo-
Ahí no te van a cobrar interés.
No interest,
Como si
and you
fuera
pay
cash, tipo cash.
It's
$2,000
cash, yeah, cash.
if you pay in 1 year, $2,000 monthly.
Monthly. But
You
you don't
understand?
have to take it 1 year if you don't want it.
That's
You
one
can
of the
take
plans.
One of the plans. You can take, muévelo para el segundo, a ver.
Okay.
¿Cuánto es?
Kolenus
2
Flex. 48 months is 4 years. During 4 years, do you pay monthly 681.56, 6,000 with 81 pesos.
$681.
Yeah,
$181.
monthly.
Oh, is
During
that dollars or
month-
pesos?
Every month.
That's dollars, right?
No, it's dollar. It's
US,
dollar.
US, yeah.
USA
$681.
dollars during 48 months. Okay. And the plan Kolenus Light, do you pay the interest during 48 months, 131 pesos monthly, and even 3 months, 1,648
Every 3 months?
every 3 months.
Oh, okay.
Monthly, this is the month,
Interest.
interest, and during 3 months, this is the capital.
Okay.
Tú le das el tour, he gonna give you the tour, and then when next time
Eso
you
sí,
decide,
que
you
van
come and
a
then get it, you know.
Can I get the
Because-
paper?
Que si le puede dar papel. un papel.
Sí.
Okay.
This is the okay. This is for
And-
you, and this is the brochure for you
Okay.
too.
Yeah. Thank you. Gracias.
Esto me lo presta.
Yeah, we can come and see it.
And this is the brochure for you
Okay.
too.
Thank you.
A lot of people are gonna have properties in here, and you're not gonna have nothing. You're gonna rent it. No, come on. You can do your house in here, right?
Okay, in the 39 lot, we have a beautiful view for the mountain. Hay que ver aquí, mira, porque nosotros tenemos que subir por aquí, pero el problema es que eso está blandito. Es
Sí,
mejor
no,
coger
no.
terreno.
We're gonna go down.
Sí.
Holy moly, it's clay.
Holy, holy.
Good call.
You're not gonna get wet. Look, this is somebody out. Buying this
400.
for only them. Estos son de gente que han comprado, ¿tú sabes? Esa gente han comprado
Sí.
uno,
Okay.
algunos.
We mark different laws. It's salt. All this salt. Okay. Only free this lot. This. Your lot is free. Your lot. This lot. This. And this lot. And this is bigger.
Oh, we're right here right now.
And this lot.
This-
Yes.
Okay.
This is
17.
17. Lot. Entonces el suyo es el 39.
This is 39.
This is the 39 lot. And you open and building home. And this is another street.
Yeah.
And this is a corner. Okay. And you open and go to your home and open here. It's better. I like it's better because you have a beautiful view
You know a good thing here too.
for the mountain. This is the 39.
What about that one?
El 30 y 75 is that with the ¿cómo se dice palma in
Palma, ese que está
yes
allá.
in the corner.
Yeah,
It's in the
I
corner.
like. No neighbors.
It's
I
in
mean,
the corner.
on one
Yeah.
side only.
Yes, you have neighbor.
Y él no quiere
Only that
gente,
one.
entonces me
Only-
devuelven-
only,
me devuelven
yeah.
mi cuarto
Yeah.
y yo
Al
le sigo
lado.
buscando gente. Okay.
Hmm.
A Junior que lo haga así. No así. Porque ese
Eso bueno ya usted mañana tendría
yo
que
hablo con él, claro.
claro porque nosotros solo lo que
Sí,
hacemos es
claro,
esto
soy-
mostrarle
You
esto.
know that one here is the best because I don't say mine, but it's the best because you can running. If you like running, you know. I want to be to all the way down running and come back that way. But if you want this one, you don't running too much. You whatever you can get. Yeah, we had to do it. We,
Oh, that's right. You want? Where is yours at now?
right here. This is
Oh,
mine,
okay.
This
39,
is 39.
Oh,
This is
okay,
mine.
okay, okay.
Pero no así lo dice.
The 39 is good because it's in the corner.
39,
And you
yeah.
open for this street or for this street. You have two doors. Él tiene la posibilidad de abrirlo por cualquier lado. Si desea abrir por aquí o por aquí. And you build your home.
So, just to recap what was talked about earlier in the video, we're visited the new Kolenus del Valle development, and whether you're dreaming of a peaceful escape or just somewhere to flex your hammock skills, this place has options. Let's start with the basics. Each lot is priced at $100 per square meter, and they're starting out with 75 lots available. That means if you're thinking about jumping in, now's the time to claim your patch of paradise before someone else plants their palm tree there first. Now for the amenities. And yes, it's more than just sand and sun. There will be a clubhouse for community events or just pretending to be social, social areas for mingling and making friends, or avoiding them strategically. A pool with fish, which honestly raises more questions than answers, but it's cool and tropical, so we'll allow it. Electricity and water are already in place. Not always a given in developments like this. And you've got tennis courts. But no ping pong, so table tennis lovers, bring your own table and start a movement. Security-wise, the perimeter is closed off 24/7, and there's private security on site. Residents will be given keys for access so you can feel safe whether you're living there full-time or just visiting on weekends. Now let's break down the payment plans because they've got options to fit different budgets and styles. Plan A, the premium plan. You pay $2,000 per month for 1 year, no interest. After that year is up, you get the title to your land. Simple, clean, no interest, no fuss, just 1 year of payments and the property is yours. Plan B, the steady and stretched plan. You pay $681 per month for 4 years. This covers both interest and capital. It's more spread out, and for some folks, that's the perfect way to ease into ownership without breaking the bank up front. Plan C, the blank slide plan. This one's a little different. You make small monthly interest payments of about $131. Then every 3 months, you make a larger capital payment of around $1,348. If you like to space out your heavier payments and keep the monthly bites small, this plan might be your vibe. Oh, and there's a specific lot that's 325 square meters if you're looking for something right-sized and ready to go. To secure your lot, you just need to make an initial $100 deposit. Then within 13 days, follow it up with an additional $500 to complete the initial payment and lock in your spot. After that, you'll be on one of the 3 payment plans and on your way to owning a slice of paradise in Kolenus, Delva. Remember, if you like and want more content like this, give us a like and subscribe because it's easy to do and cheap. Unless you're too lazy, then maybe it's a challenging, but do it anyway.